Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.